Crack your knuckles. Hear that pop? It's not your bones grinding, it's gas. Inside your joints is a fluid called synovial fluid, which lubricates movement. When you stretch or pull a joint, pressure drops, and gases like nitrogen form a bubble. That bubble rapidly collapses. And the sound? That's the crack. It's called cavitation. And it's harmless. Despite the myth, cracking your knuckles doesn't cause arthritis. You just need to wait about 15 to 30 minutes for the gas to reabsorb before you can crack again. Weird? Definitely. Dangerous? Nope. Subscribe to SmartScroll for more body science that pops.